Everyone, welcome to this video tutorial on Java inheritance. So this is a very small tutorial I have made just to make you introduced with the Java inheritance topic. So in Java, the inheritance actually used for code reusability. Having said that, I mean that the existing code can be used from one class to another class simply by making the concept of inheritance put in. That is, it is possible to inherit the attributes and methods from one class to another class. So if one class has the attributes and methods, in another class, if you inherit that class, then you don't need to write those attributes and methods again. Just to inherit that class, that's sufficient for you. Yes, so these inheritance concepts can be put into two categories through two entities. First is the subclass and the next thing is the superclass. A subclass or the child class is a class that inherits from another class, and superclass or the parent class is the class that is being inherited to the subclass. Yes, so to inherit that we just need one keyword, that is the extends keyword in Java. So when you use the extends keyword, it means that one class is getting inherited to another class. Let's see here. Here the class vehicle is inherited to the class car through extends vehicle keyword. So class car is getting all the properties of the class vehicle. How? By using this extends vehicle syntax written after the class name. So the protected string brand is equals to Ford will be available to the class car, as well as public void honk method and its definition will be also available to the class car. So the car class object can have the access to brand string variable and honk method. Yes, now we'll execute this program using an Eclipse IDE and see how it happens actually. So the same program is there in front of you. Class vehicle is defined with the string brand is equals to Ford, and public void honk is equals to is having the definition of system.out.println honk in vehicle that will be printed if this method is called, if the honk method is called. Now class car inheriting the vehicle class. So vehicle class is the super class or the base class or the parent class, and class car is the derived class or the derived class, or you can say it as a child class. Okay, yes, or we can say it's a child class. In most cases it's as a parent class and this is the child class. We will not use different terminologies. We'll use this as the parent class and we'll tell this as child class, although we have different naming possible and we use different names actually. So the parent class vehicle is inherited to the child class car. So having said that, it means that all public, protected and default variables and the methods are now available to the car method. Yes, because car and vehicle is in the same package. Yes, if you don't have these concepts, then just watch my video on access modifiers, Java access modifiers. There you can get all these concepts clear. What is public, what is protected, and what is private, and what is default access modifiers. Anyhow, we understood that these things are now available to the class car. So along with that, car class is defining private string model name is equals to supermodel. Yes, there is a car class attribute and one method, public static void main. From this method, we are defining an object. Name of the object is my car. It is the object of the class car. Okay. Now this object of the class car is used for calling the method of the class vehicle. Honk is the method of the class vehicle, right? But we are using it through the object of the class car, and it's possible because these features are available in this class car because it extends the vehicle, correct? Now in system.out.println my car.brand, here also you can see that the derived class or child class object can be used for calling the variable of the superclass or the parent class, correct? We are accessing it and it's not displaying any error. then you are providing concatenating with the space, and then we are printing again the value of model name. Yes, the model name will be printed, correct? This model name is available inside class car, so definitely it can be accessed. So we want to see that this is accessing or not, and this is accessing or not. It's only possible that line number 17 and this part of line number 19 can be accessible if this inheritance concept is working well. So now let me execute this. And we are waiting for the output. Yes, honkin vehicle and Ford supermodel. So what from this line number 16 is successfully calling the line number 3, and this line is being executed. So honkin vehicle is printed into the output screen. After that, line number 19 is executed. Yes, and it is also successfully able to access the variable of the parent class. And it is printed that Ford. This value is being printed. This brand's value is Ford. So Ford, then space, then this supermodel. This is obviously can be accessed because the model name is available in the same class where the object is created. So my car is the object of the class car, so definitely it can access the model name. Yes, so you can see that using inheritance only it's possible. If you just break the chain of inheritance, just I will cut this line, then you can see that these lines are giving error. Now the Java compiler is telling that how can you call the method hong, which is undefined in the class car. Similarly, this brand cannot be accessed from the object my car because there is no inheritance chain available. So now the error will go out because I have now again written extends variable. So this is the basics for Java inheritance. Now I just want to, before I conclude this video, I just want to teach you another thing. That is the final keyword is a keyword which is used for making a class stop from the inheritance. If you wish that no one should supposed to inherit the class vehicle and its property, then you can just make it simply final using the keyword final, and that's enough. Now it cannot extend the class vehicle, neither it can call the method hong, neither access the variable brand. So final is a keyword. If you put it before the class, then that class cannot be inherited. So that is the basics for the concept of inheritance in Java. Hope that you have understood this concept, and from this concept you can go further and explore more concepts on inheritance. If you like these videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.